What's up, y'all? This your boy Domino 7 here. Like to welcome y'all to the Domino 7 show, live location out and about in the community. Okay? So anyway, this episode is a bus ride after after the route changes. Okay? So this is day one so far. Okay? So that bus getting ready to come. So I'm about to get on the Galvez bus. Okay? I gotta make sure I got my bus pass. Yep. So I need to buy some batteries for this thing. I feel like my camera about to die, you know. So I guess I'm gonna film as much as I could. Okay. All right. So see y'all on the bus. All right, y'all. Welcome back to the Domino 7 show, live on the Elijah Fields 55 Chains route. Okay. So I'm here on the Elijah Fields bus. It's not where it used to be. It's turning right here on Poydras right now, you know. So, for some people that's not happy about these changes and stuff like that, which I'm not happy about it myself, you know. I'm happy about some of the changes, but not all the changes, you know. So, there's about two people in here right now, but they don't want to be on camera, okay. So I'm not gonna put the driver on camera either, you know. So you know what, y'all? With these bus changes and stuff like that, it's a headache, you know, a serious headache, you know. I mean, and I'm still running low on fuel, y'all. I might have to use my other camera. Thank God I have another camera in here, you know. All right, so okay. I'll talk to y'all later, okay? I'll see y'all on the next bus. Alright, y'all, welcome back to the Domino 7 show, live location on the bus. Okay, so anyway, I just talked to some supervisors out here. I'm just doing the show. I don't have you on. Oh, I'm sorry. Alright, so anyway, y'all, I was just out there speaking for the people because how these routes going to affect people. I'm talking about how it's going to affect people, you know. Alright, so anyway, the 55 new route is right by the Gentile Walmart out here, you see. So, you don't want to be on the show, huh? I said, you don't want to be on the show, huh? Oh, okay. All right, because, you know, you don't want to be on the show, huh? Oh, yeah, it's about the bus route. That's what I'm doing. Oh, you don't want to be on, huh? Okay. Of course it's okay. I'm doing this for y'all. You want to be on the show? All right, you're on the show. All right, yeah. So anyway, I'm trying to get as much subscribers as I can. So how you feel about the new route? She's still figuring it out, y'all. All right, so like I said, I'm doing this thing for the citizens and everybody, you know. So I got a YouTube channel, okay. I'm gonna show you when I get on the commercial break. So, all right, so all right. Now I'm gonna go to a commercial break, okay. Thank y'all for watching. Well, I'll be right back. All right, y'all. Welcome back to the show. All right, now I'm on the Broad bus, the Broad Napoleon. Before Katrina, they had the Broad Napoleon, okay? Well, at first, I would say now, but at first they had just the Broad, 94. Now it's the 9 Broad Napoleon, and I'm glad that's back. So, we still in the Gentilly area, you know? So on that note, y'all, this route is going to work out good, but some people is very confused about it, you know, including me, you know. I'm not happy about all the route changes. I'm impressed with some, but not all, you know what I'm saying? So we still in the Gentilly area, not a few people on here, and I like these kind of buses. Some of y'all already know I like to articulate it. My niece used to like to articulate it. This was her favorite spot on these seats right here when she was little. If y'all ever watched the show, you know. So we'll see how everything gonna go, but hopefully change some parts back the way they are, you know. Because I'm not happy with all, but I'm happy with some, you know. But I know the passengers, some are happy about it, some are not happy about it, you know. All right, some people done got on, you know. All right, so I saw some people that went to church. All right, so, all right, I'll be right back after these messages, okay?
All right, y'all. I'm back home. Okay. Well, I was doing other things and stuff like that, so I decided to come back home and stuff like that. But during that commercial break, I was doing other stuff. So now I'm back with the final thought now. Okay, since I'm back at home. Okay, some of these routes is good. Some of them is bad. You know, and you know something, y'all? I feel a bit intimidated by these routes. You know, I'm not mad about it. I just feel intimidated by these routes. You know, I should have told that RTA to RTA person that I feel a tad bit intimidated by these routes. You know, so anyway, I'm sorry, RTA officials. Y'all routes is intimidating me a little bit. You know, okay. I hate to say that, but your new routes depends on what it is. It's intimidating me. Okay, not only these people that go across the river for work or family or whatever got to switch buses like that. The worst thing about it is that they have to switch buses, and not only that, be late for work and stuff like that. And then I read on Facebook somebody say that it's impossible for them to get to work, and they have to walk way to work and stuff like that, a few blocks down. Oh my God. It's affecting a lot of people. Oh my God, it hurts me. So honestly, because these people is not happy about this, I'm feeling intimidated, as well as you RTA workers feel intimidated by these passengers. I'm intimidated because I'm a RTA, a local passenger, and I'm a YouTuber, and I'm a future celebrity. That's why I feel intimidated by these routes. Okay, so I feel extremely intimidated. You know. Okay. All right. So that's all I got to say, y'all. You know, because I'm feeling oh, you know, I I forgot brochures of the routes and stuff like that. So I'll I'll read them to you on an episode, on another video or something like that. Okay. All right, so that's all I got to say. But you passengers, I feel y'all pain. You understand? So this is Dominoes. Some reminder y'all help control the pet population. Have y'all pets spayed and neutered. Thank y'all for watching the Domino 7 show and stuff like that. And I feel y'all pain. Thank y'all for watching. All right. This episode, a bus ride after the route changes. Okay. All right. Bye.